A tale of art and love in Jacmel. Once upon a time, in the vibrant city of Jacmel, there lived a young man named Pierre. Pierre was a skilled painter, known throughout the city for his beautiful murals that were as colorful as the city itself. In the same city lived a young woman named Mireille. Mireille was a talented dancer, her movements embodying the spirit and rhythm of Haitian folk dances. Pierre and Mireille lived in the same neighborhood, but their paths had never crossed until one day at the bustling Carnaval de Jacmel. Pierre was instantly captivated by Mireille's grace and the passion in her dance. Mireille, too, was drawn to Pierre's vibrant murals and his kind demeanor. Over time, they began to see more of each other at the carnival. They would exchange stories, share their dreams, and their friendship slowly blossomed into love. Their bond was as beautiful and unique as the art they created. One day, Pierre decided to express his love for Mireille. He painted a beautiful mural, incorporating symbols from Haitian Vodou, representing unity, love, and eternity. He presented this to Mireille at the carnival. Mireille was deeply moved by Pierre's gesture. She, too, had been working on a special dance for Pierre, a dance beautifully adorned with symbols of prosperity and happiness, as per Haitian tradition. They exchanged their gifts, and in the heart of the bustling carnival, Pierre and Mireille promised to spend their lives together, their love as enduring as the symbols woven into their gifts. And so, their love story became a cherished tale in Jacmel, a testament to the enduring love that was as beautiful and intricate as a painted mural or a folk dance.